Ever since OnePlus 6 is launched, everywhere it's all about OnePlus 6 on YouTube. OnePlus 6 versus iPhone 10, OnePlus 6 versus Galaxy S9 Plus, OnePlus 6 versus whatnot. So finally I decided to buy OnePlus 6 and check what inside the box, and I just wanted to feel how is the phone. Since everyone is talking too much about this phone, and I have been using OnePlus 3 from last 2 years, I have not upgraded to any phone, so I thought I will upgrade to this phone and see how I feel like. This phone is so 2018, so I cannot stop myself from buying this phone. So let's see what's inside this box and have the feel. Hi everyone, my name is LOYA KH. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OnePlus 6, and this is the Indian customer unit. I bought it from Amazon and got delivered today. Let's do the unboxing. Guys, this is the OnePlus 6. I got it during the Amazon Prime flash sale yesterday. I got it today. I bought the 128 GB version, mirror black, and this product is only for sale and warranty in India. Let's open and see how is the product. I'm so excited. The packing is always same from OnePlus 3, then 3T, then 5, 5T. The size is the same. The reason of buying this phone is the screen and the Snapdragon, which I was so excited to see. The packing is nice as always, and in 3, 2, 1, go! Dude, this phone is so amazing. Wow, you guys must have seen all the things inside the box, and I'm so excited. Wow, look at this. The mirror black is so nice. The reason I bought this mirror black is because this is the new look of OnePlus 6, and the reason that I have not bought the midnight black is because that look is already available with OnePlus 5T and all. This is the phone. Now let's see a few other things which we already know. Wow, this is so nice. They have given a silicone case. I appreciate the free things, and the paper, warranty, everything, the stickers, everything. And the most amazing thing of OnePlus, we have the dash charging. Oh my god. So guys, we all know about the dash charging. This is one of the fastest charging available on the market right now, and this is the phone itself. The look of this phone is so amazing. This is so cool, and we have the free silicone cover. Let's remove this and see how does it fit. Wow, perfectly fitted, and it's so nice. Anyway, this is it. This is inside the box. This is it. So after the setup, this is how the phones look. This is how the window look. It's soft, nice. I'm liking it. Well, this is a different experience altogether. The screen is so big for me. The phone, the look, I just like it all together. I'm just so excited to explore this phone and tell you guys more about this phone, the camera, everything. Like, I just want to tell you everything about this product. So let me just use it for a few more days and update you how fast is the phone. As I said, the speed you need, I would like to tell you, but look and feel, it's nice. And especially for me, since I have been using OnePlus 3 from quite a long time. I'm just repeating this word again and again because I'm truly excited to use this phone, explore, and tell you guys more about this phone. Guys, the only reason why I wanted to upgrade to OnePlus 6 is it has the bigger screen and the Snapdragon 845 gonna be amazing. Moreover, I was waiting for a long time to upgrade a phone, so I hope this is the best phone. So I'm upgrading it. I'm liking it so far, the design, the look, everything. I want to use it for more and tell you guys more about this phone, as I said earlier. Thank you all so very much for watching this video. I would like to use it for more days and update you in details about this phone. Till then, stay tuned, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, comment and share for more.